Search all over YouTube, all over Amazon, really dug through everything, and I landed on these Mictuning C2 rock lights, so the RGBW ones. I thought previously that Mictuning was just a rebrand of somebody else's lights. As most rock lights go, you have tons and tons of options, and they all have different brands, but they look very similar. And I thought these guys have got to be just another one of those companies rebranding their dang lights. Well, turns out Mictuning actually makes their own lights, and they're very innovative, and they actually have their own branded app, which we'll get to in another video that I'm partnering with them on. Not with these, but with the switch panel. After I bought these rock lights, I started talking to them about a future video that I've got coming up about their new wireless switch panel they're coming out with. Right there. Shines down here. If I get a bumper or whatnot, this will all kind of disappear and I'll have nice even light down in front of the tire. You guys can see those two lights right there pointing outwards at a 45-degree angle, and I can move them around quite a bit. Get this going. So we'll open up the app, and as you guys can see, we just have our color wheel. So first, you guys will have all your devices ready to go. If you guys have other Mictuning items, such as I don't know, rock lights or any other RGB lights, some whips or something like that, this app will automatically pair. You can actually do groups and all sorts of crazy stuff. This video is not about groups, but you know, that's something you can do. So let's pair to that, and there you guys see the truck is now on my last color. You can choose any color you want. Right? You can choose, you can just go all over the place and you can pick whatever. You can pick different shades. You can pick what brightness. You can pick the amount of strobe, seizure mode, or just kind of annoying slow blink. There's some pre-programmed stuff, so some fade colors, some color to black to color fade, just some kind of, you know, Mario Kart, Rainbow Road stuff. You got the super legal stuff, and then I added this one. I wanted this to strobe slow but change colors so that when I'm doing recoveries, it's pretty evident that I am not there to just play around. I'm actually here to help people and just cause holy cow, that's some big snow flurries. Basically just cause some attention to myself and make it known that I'm not here just to goof off. I'm actually here to help people and whatnot. So I can change it. I can speed up the color change. So I just, you know, orange to white pretty quickly. I was playing around with this one, white to yellow. I don't quite like that one. I had the white and orange, which is kind of the same thing as the other one, but just 2 blocks of orange versus 1 block of orange, no big deal. And I was playing with the other opportunities here with the orange, but I really like the, you know, this. I can really change the stroke pattern so that it's not like super annoying, but it's very evident that I'm here to help people and whatnot. So we can even go like this. I can change it. I can fade it in between the colors. So you guys can kind of see it's changing from white to orange, back to white to orange, slowly feeding through. We can go back into the app, set it to just color to color. But let me walk around. Let me set this to just a basic white. I'm going to walk around the truck here in the snow for you guys, and we'll see what this